bitch, nothing solo.
Yo, what is up? It's your boy Dino Hoodie back with a video, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial of how to make a logo on mobile. Yes, on mobile. So iPad, iPhone, yeah. So the main things you need is the apps you need to download is PicsArt and Fonto. So first, let me get out of this real quick. So first, okay, you need a good background. So if you need some Google Drive where it has like a lot of backgrounds, you can DM me on Insta at DinoHoodieYT_2.0. And yeah, so first let's choose a good background real quick. Let me go to my photos. Don't mind my camera roll, okay? My camera roll is really weird. Let me choose one. Let's choose this, alright? Okay? So, next you need to get a PNG. So, let me go to my, let's go to my Google Drive where I made all of these. I made all of these PNGs. But let me check if my mic is on. Alright, okay. Let me check. What should I do? Which one? Let me do this Lamar one. Okay, yeah, let's do this Lamar. And use my Lamar. So what you do is you download this, you click on this, and go to add it to photos. Okay, so let me. Yeah, so that's what you do to download a photo off of Google Drive. So here is. Alright. So let's find a good size. Okay, this is good, I guess. And then let's go to adjust. Let's go to saturation. Alright, let's put it at 100. Apply. Okay, so this is what you do. So you can do border if you want, like put a small outline. I'm not really a big fan of that. So effects. Go to magic. I don't recommend any of these. I don't recommend any of these, okay? I don't recommend it. Unless only the first one is alright, this one. And then you put the fade and put it like into like 69 or something like that. Not until like at 50. Somewhere like that. That's fine. You can fade it a little bit. So let's try this. See this? Fading it is fine. Like let's put it at 69. Yeah, see, that's fine. But I don't recommend putting the fade at 0 for the magic. Alright. See, this is fine. And another thing you can do, shadow. Over here, let's put it at 40. Position, put it at 0. 0. And let's do it at pink. See this? You can put a shadow too. Alright, and now let's click apply. Next, let's find some effects real quick. Let me go down all the way to, you know what, it's fine. I think it's fine like this. So you go to motion. Okay, I kind of recommend this. You go to motion, auto. Let's see that motion. Nah. Let's just do it like this real quick. Nah, I'm not gonna do motion. I recommend motion, but sometimes motion is not that good. So let's get back to it real quick. Let's get back. Okay, so I think that's it. So this is it now. So let's put in photos. Hit the photos, and you go to Fonto. Okay, Fonto. Oh my god. Let's go to Fonto. Photo albums. Let's get this. right. Let's choose which one. Clamp. No. Let's do it like this. Okay, so now you choose a font. So choose font. I don't recommend the let's just do okay. Return like this, okay, real quick. The fonts, don't choose any of these fonts. These fonts are not the best. These fonts are pretty bad. You go to My Fonts, you download your own font. So how to download a font? So let's go back to Safari. Go to the font.font.com. So let me see. So the fonts that I use are American Captain, Commando, Dash, Demo. I don't really use Impact that much. I use Payback, Road Rage. I use Logtown Demo, Sweet Sensations, and yeah. So those are the fonts that I recommend. How do you download a font? So pretend like this. You let's just click this font real quick. You click download. And with the arrow on the top, you see this? You go to this. You click this. And then just search up the... Okay, so what you do. This is what you do. So you see share, and you do copy to Fonto right over there. That is how you download a font. But yeah, I'm not gonna use that font. So for the top one, let's do I will do Sweet Sensations for this. Yeah, I'll do that. So you can click. So color, you can do like any color you want, or you can create your own color pattern. So let me search a pattern real quick. Let me choose this one. All right. So you see horizontal, make it to vertical, and like this. All right. All right. Okay. And next one is your stroke. Put the alpha at 100. Put the width at like 10. And style. Style. You go to shadow. Put the blur at 0. Put the alpha at 100. And I'll put it like somewhere over here. So it kind of looks 3D. So, and the next one is Jackson. So font. For that one, I'll choose either American Captain, Commando, or Payback. So let's try, let me see which one fits best. That's a little too big. Let's put American Captain on this one. So again, let's do color pattern. Let's do this. Alright, apply. Put the stroke at like 10. And do the same thing, put the alpha at 100. Let's do it like this. Okay. Alright, so let's put it like this. Let me see how it looks like. Alright, looks nice. And we put the tilt, let's do it like this. Alright. That looks pretty good. So what you do is save image right over there, and you'll find it in your camera roll. So that is my tutorial of how to make a logo and piece.
Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me. Cause I can fuck your bitch and fuck your mom and auntie. Your girl's a 5, but your mom is a dime piece.